Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Cache app not working on your phone. Let's get started. Scroll down from the top of your screen and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and stable. Switch networks if needed. After that, close and reopen the app. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Cache app to fully close the app. Then reopen it to refresh. Next step is to check for update. Go to the App Store. After that, tap on your profile at the top right of the screen. Search for Cache app and tap update it if available. Sometimes the problem is on Cache app site. Check online for server issue. If it still doesn't work, delete Cache app and reinstall it from the App Store and log in again with the same account. And that's it. These steps usually fix Cache app issue on phone. Check your connection, update or reinstall the app and you're ready to use Cache app smoothly. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.